In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace. If you're looking to add a sleek, interactive element to your Squarespace website, a carousel is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for showcasing testimonials, images, or any content you want to highlight in a visually engaging way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a functioning auto-scroll carousel, but also the confidence to customize it to fit your brand seamlessly. If you're new to Squarespace, you can use the link in the description to create your account and get started. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're in, head over to the page where you want the carousel to appear. Now we're going to add a new section to this page. This new section will essentially act as the canvas for your carousel, giving you a dedicated space to work with. Once the section has been added, look through the available templates or pre-built sections and select the Testimonials layout. This layout is particularly useful because it's already designed to display carousel-style content. Now, if you don't see the Testimonials layout right away, don't worry. You can either scroll down to look for it or use the search function to locate it quickly. After you've added the Testimonials layout, click on the Edit section button. This will allow you to start customizing the layout to match your needs. The first thing you'll want to do here is remove the default title at the top of the section. To do this, simply click on the title element, then press Delete or Backspace. Clearing this out will give your carousel a cleaner, more professional look. Next, toggle the layout settings to enable the carousel type. This step is crucial because it ensures that the section is set up for smooth automatic scrolling. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this setting will usually be found under the Design or Format options, and it might be labeled as Type or Layout Style. Take a moment to make sure the carousel is active. Now, check that the horizontal scroll arrows or navigation dots are visible on your layout. These are important visual indicators that confirm the carousel is ready to function. If you don't see them right away, go back and double-check the layout settings. With that done, it's time to enable the auto scroll feature. Copy the provided code snippet that's designed to automate the scrolling effect. To do this, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Once you've copied the code, pause for a moment here and make sure you save your section edits. This step ensures that none of your changes are lost as you move forward. Next, navigate to the page settings for the page where your carousel section was added. You can access this by either using the left-hand sidebar or hovering over the page name and selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Advanced section and click into it. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the code snippet you copied earlier into the page header code injection box or a similar field depending on your Squarespace version. This is what will make the carousel scroll automatically. After pasting the code, save your page settings. This locks in the changes and applies the scrolling effect to your carousel. Now it's time to preview your page. Take a close look to ensure the carousel is scrolling smoothly on its own. If it's not moving, double-check your code for any extra spaces or missing characters. Even a small typo can prevent the automation from working, so take your time here. Once the auto scroll is working perfectly, you can update the images or text within the carousel to make it your own. To do this, return to the Edit section mode and click on the specific elements you want to change. Whether it's swapping out images or updating the testimonial text, this step allows you to keep your carousel content fresh and aligned with your brand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an auto-scroll carousel on your Squarespace website. This feature will not only enhance the visual appeal of your site, but also provide an engaging way to showcase important content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.